Shalom, shalom, kalam. This is UzziYahu Ben Yehuda, aka UzziYahu HaMelech of Bysa Brick by Brick Quick Facts. Episode 3, Noah's three sons, Ham, Shem, and Japheth. All right, so you have Noah's three sons, Ham, Shem, and Japheth. Ham is Africa, Genesis 10, 6 through 20. Japheth is Europe, Asia, Genesis 10, 1 through 5. Shem is Middle East, Asia Minor, Northeast Africa, Genesis 10, 21, 32. Please read. This is Ham. Ham, Mitzrayim, Put, Cush, Canaan. Shem, you have Shem descendants. You see Abraham is there. And Japheth, you have Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, Tiras. Now, Noah's two sons, Ham and Shem, is Afro-Asiatic. So you got Ham and you got Shem. That's Afro-Asiatic. And that's the chart. That's the contact. Subscribe. Shalom.